Okay, we got a tailgate here that goes on the JMR Odie, and you can see it had the big aluminum panel that goes on the back. Well, they're putting it back on smooth, so we've got to weld all these holes up. You can see I've grounded them down first. Got my roll lock. Get the paint out of the way. Now then we'll be able to just weld right up, no problem. These right here, we need to put a little filler in. So let me make some filler pieces and I'll show you what we got. Okay, if you can see here, we made this little tab to go in there. What you do is we put that screw in there, slide that in the hole, and then work it around where it will hold it for you. You can see here, my hands are so big. You can get it lined up and it'll pretty much fill up all the gap. Now we'll tack weld it in. Okay, we got it tack welded in. Now we'll pull out the screw and we'll move to the next one. We'll get them all tacked in and then kind of slowly weld each one a little bit at a time to try to keep from warping the metal from the heat. I'll show you when we get a little further along. Okay, right there it is tack welded in. Now we'll make each one of them, get every one of them tacked in before we weld them in good. That way we can jump around welding a little bit on each one to try to keep the metal from getting so hot and warping it. So let me get a few more in and I'll show you what we got. All right, we got them all welded up. Every one of them's full tacked in. Now we'll finish welding and grind them down.